Good morning, everybody. Today we are discussing the subject microwave circuit design of topic transistor oscillators. Last section we discussed about the negative resistance oscillator. So what is transistor oscillator? In transistor oscillator, a negative resistance one port network is effectively created by terminating a potentially unstable transistor with an impedance designed to drive the device is an unstable region. Transistor oscillator circuit for the two-port transistor oscillator. In figure, the output can be tapped from either side of transistor. We prefer a device with a high degree of stability, ideally an unconditionally stable device. For an oscillator, we required a device with a high degree of instability. Common source or common gate FET configuration are used with positive feedback to enhance the instability of device. After the transistor configuration is selected, the output stability circuit can be drawn in the gamma T plane and gamma selected to produce a large value of negative resistance at the input to the transistor. Then the load impedance ZL can be chosen to match Zin because such a design uses the small signal as parameter and because Rin will become less negative as the oscillator power builds up. It is necessary to choose RL so that RL plus Rin less than 0. Otherwise, oscillation will changes when the increasing power increases Rin to the point where RL plus Rn greater than 0. A value of RL is equal to minus Rin upon 3. Equation number 8.31. The reactive part of ZL is chosen to resonate the circuit at the operating frequency. XL is equal to minus Xin. When oscillation occurs between the load network and the transistor, oscillation will simultaneously occur at the output port, which we can show as follows. For steady state oscillation at the input port, we must have gamma L gamma in is equal to 1. Gamma L gamma in is equal to 1 as derived in equation number 8.26. Then from this 1 upon gamma L is equal to gamma in is equal to S1 plus S12 S21 gamma T upon 1 minus S22 gamma T is equal to S11 minus del gamma T upon 1 minus S22 gamma T. Question number 8.232. Where del is equal to S11 S22 minus S21 S12. Solving for gamma t gives gamma t is equal to 1 minus S1 gamma L upon S22 minus del gamma L. After replacing gamma with gamma L, we have that gamma out is equal to S22 plus S12 S21 gamma L upon 1 minus S11 gamma L is equal to S22 minus del gamma L upon 1 minus S11 gamma L. Equation number 8.34. Which show that gamma out is equal to 1 and hence Z(t) is equal to minus Z0. Thus the condition for oscillation of the terminating network is satisfied. Note that the appropriate S parameter to use in the above development are generally the large signal parameter of the transistor is if available. This condition for transistor oscillators. Reference: Microwave and RF Design of Wireless System by Pojar. Thank you.